Dude, the door frame is definitely blocking me.
Hell yeah.
100%. I'm here.
Oh, you're upset because the vlog won't get to see your beautiful face.
You got a lighter on your bud?
You got live activated on that? Don't you have to pay to have live on that?
No.
Or does it go to your phone?
Just your
Your
phone.
camera just caught that, bro. I just want to let you know when you go back in your feed, that was a badass catch.
Tiburon. Intro. What's the intro? We should come up with an intro.
What up, guys?
Do you want to check out his boost gauge upgrade?
Oh, we got an upgrade this video.
Boost gauge upgrade.
We got an upgrade this video.
Quote unquote. Same boost gauge.
Let's just get away all these NA pieces of junk. Here are the turbo boys.
Magnet?
All right.
You like that, Bob? Now you gotta just wire it from right down here.
No, don't glue it.
This is my project for today.
You gotta glue it.
No, you get new clips. No, I'm telling you, it's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. It's a bad idea.
You'll be able to pull it out.
Hey, it's a bad idea.
What?
Do it. The finest. Don't do that, kids. Don't put super glue on your paint.
Either way, it's just gonna break off again. You need new clips.
No, this is how it was held together last time, bud.
I need a break.
Is that a dent? Where'd you get a dent from?
I don't know.
Wait, what?
Oh, I bet you I could push that out.
You could, but
Oh
that
my
doesn't
God.
defeat the point of.
What the f is that, bud?
Oh, looks like somebody just brushed up against it.
No, there's still
Oh,
a
no, there's
dent.
still a fat dent.
There's
bud.
definitely still a dent in it.
Oh my god.
What'd you do, bud?
I don't know.
Somebody lean up against your car?
Looks like somebody hit it.
I mean, people lean up against
That's like
it
a
all the
lean.
time.
That's
Quit hitting shit, dude. You might wanna.
quit hitting.
Is it just
Stop.
Yeah.
Do you have one with different threads? So
Different
it'll fit in
threads.
Ryan's car?
What do you mean?
When you want smaller threads, so it'll fit in Ryan's car.
Smaller?
It don't fit mine. I don't have one in the back. You sure? Yeah.
I know how to screw stuff in.
Let's take a look, though.
It sounds like it's going to do the same, or feels like it's going to do the same.
Cut it. Cut it. Somebody is bumping down there.
Push your clutch and drop your e-brake.
Should we do my other side first?
Roll your car back a foot.
No,
Let's
you gotta
see where
be
it's
able,
at
you
first.
gotta see, yeah, you gotta know that it's.
See now, I've like
So,
3 different times.
A Justin Camber on the Ralliart. The difference in that. About to hit me? Actually installed those.
Did you?
Not those though.
Not back ones.
That's
Is that for your rear?
What?
That sway bar link?
Yeah. That's why I'm all over the road.
No, you're all over the road because you're reckless. See that, guys? Reckless. 10 feet?
I can go higher. Look at her tweaking up there. Chill down.
Chill down. He's got it at 10. That doesn't count. It didn't go any higher.
I know. Hold on. I'm gonna raise my hand. Don't worry. Just let me do my thing. And oh, there ain't nobody even higher than me. Oh,
No, 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 no. Ah, hit the bumper. All right. You want to see something?
yeah.
All right, you want me to try?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here you go, man.
Come out the moment I've been
Get
waiting
in
for.
front of the camera here for a second. You had 10 feet? You had 10 feet, did you?
A
little past.
Oh, you had 10 feet, did you?
Where you at?
I am at 12 feet.
You see why I was doing that with my hand now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 12 feet, son. 13 feet right there, man.
Keep it going.
That hasn't even snapped yet.
Where are you at now? 17 foot?
15.
What?
15. Caution. I'm at the end of the tape measure. So that's like a double whammy. He's ugly and he lost. Look, he's already got f***ing oil on a cigarette. He hadn't done anything yet.
Here, I've got actual wrenches.
We get 3 people in there. Camera.
Wait, which way do we want to go? We need to tow it in.
Yeah,
need to
you
come
need
this
the
way.
back end out, the front end in.
We need to come.
It's already towed out.
You need it. We out here
We're out here, you know, getting the Ralliart all fixed up.
doing what we do.
Doing what we do.
Working on cars so we can go cruise.
Fixing them to tear them up again.
Oh yeah. So, comparison video. You saw the before. There's the after. That's actually a little bit better.
That's a whole lot better.
That's not completely fixed, but that's good.
Those pumping fuel, equal length header. And it's a tri-Y, 4 to 2 to 1.
Those actually were not the roads that we
Usually
take
those
all
where
the
we
time,
are.
though. Usually we cut dry run over and then take binning, but I did the opposite, which is kind of like the long loop. I went all the way down
That's right by where we all grew
131.
up.
Dude, that little road was smaller than mine. And I live on a little one-lane
Oh
road.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
that's binning.
That's
I
literally a
that's
one-lane road.
So we're here. We're going to get. I'm not gonna drop it. We're getting tires for the Ralliart, but we're about to get some good. He's back there. Little baby lost turd. Little baby guy. Lost turd. Lost turd. Well, boys and girls, we'll be back. How fast are we going in a 45?
Oh, don't worry about it.
We're in Mexico though, so it don't matter.
Yeah, we're in Mexico.
We're back. We're
About 5 minutes away.
3.
What's it about?
Now don't think we're getting anything special because it's nothing special. They're just some subtle, you know, rims, whatever. Additions, you know, just something to get me by for now. See how they're doing. Oh my God, a gas
We found a
station.
gas station.
Look at that.
I'm so happy.
Just genuinely happy that we found a pop auto service and gas station.
No, that was GMC.
The Veloz turd here. Where's he going?
What is he doing? I thought you were going to the pump, dude. I can't even get out.
What is he doing, dude?
Going to get
What are
some
you
cigarettes.
doing, dude?
We had to redo that pull-up.
I need my mask.
Where is it?
Should be.
Because everywhere has to have a mask now. Oh, dude. You gonna take me to dinner first?
Did somebody just talk back?
Somebody said burger.
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 I think it was that guy right there.
It's 7 a.m.
So?
You get George to let us go and check. Have the check.
Okay.
Everybody,
We're off.
everybody happy we stopped here?
Oh, yeah.
This pizza's not from here, by the way.
Had to get some more.
Maybe a little more than that, but
There we go.
I'm only running for a week, and I'm gonna put.
You know.
I don't know if I want to put wheels on.
Round 2.
Tires on those wheels.
What were your other ones?
Yeah.
With yours, you only got to do 2.
I can just take those other 2 off and.
Do it again.
What?
Do it again.
I can take those other 2 off.
Oh wait. Very clean. Chevrolet, says 1955 on it. Chevy farm truck right there. Nice car, man. Very nice truck. Very nice. I wouldn't believe it's been in Ohio.
Right?
Ah, okay. So it's a California car there. Or truck. I'm so used to saying car. It's California truck there.
Yeah.
Hey, have a go, man.
Yeah, sorry. Where'd they go?
They're right there. On the other side of the Civic or the Honda. Yeah, that'll close.
Nice.
Yeah, that's all it takes.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Hey,
Thanks for
have a
coming
good
out.
one.
Come on, dude. Say.
Are we fitting?
Are we gonna fit?
These are the old ones.
God. You're lucky you're not in a ditch or something.
I know.
Unfortunately, it doesn't look like this hub size is the same.
Fortunately, it don't.
What just snapped? What happened? Oh no.
Chris is gonna kick my ass. That's what's up.
What's up, guys? We're back at another gas station. Got the squad out.
$4.
You make back. That's You got a car phone? How you gonna get that one? No, come over with me. Come on. Come on. See, if you hadn't come with me, he would have rolled the window up again. Get some gas in. We're at a gas tank, a gas pump. Now the best part is just walking away. You want me to close that for you? All right. I guess I'll be a good guy and close it.
How hard is it to throw a turbo on something?
Not hard.
It's easy to throw a turbo on it.
To keep a turbo on it? To keep boost pressure?
Yeah, to keep it together. All right. Are we rolling out?
I gotta make sure my gas tank is shut. Yes, we are rolling out.